Hello! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, my dear friends, especially in Seattle. Kusing natin here again, just letting you know that I have a few vlogs here that I have to, cooking today for our visitors coming from Seattle. So now I have a 3 menu that I have to cook here right now to getting ready for them for lunch. So now I have to start it, but I have to explain to you guys first, which one is the first one that I have to cook today, because I'm having a 3 menu. Okay, so now the first one I think I have to cook today, I cook the the igado first. Okay, so I have all the ingredients here for the igado. I have onion, garlic, and I have pork with liver. Also, it's already been marinated with oyster sauce, soy sauce, lemon, and garlic. That's all. Okay, and then I have to fry later on. Okay, so gisa natin mamaya, guys. So the second one that I'm having today here, magluluto din ako kasi layo ng mister ko na sa kanila. Mayroon akong squid na adobong squid at saka yung isda na yung parang makarba na kunti lang sa sinigang pangsabaw daw nila. And then also I'm having a lumpia to fry it later on, guys. So to make sure to show you this one short video, okay? So also ang ko sa sinigang na ito ngayon, ito ang normal sinigang na may gabi. Itong gagamitin ko sa sinigang. And I have anato seeds also, itong pangpapula ko ng konti sa igado para masarap. I'm using olive oil and a little bit patis if I need it. But if I don't need it, it's fine. And then sa sinigang, mayroon akong kangkong, mayroon akong mustasa na yun ang ilalagay ko dyan. At saka sili, kamatis, at sibuyas, at saka beans. So yun lang, okay? So we'll see later on, guys. If I'm done. So manood lang kayo at anyway, ipopost ko ito pagkatapos ko na magluto kung alin ang may post ko, okay? So hindi ko na isa-isahin, ito lang ang sinabi ko sa inyo, yung tatlong menu na lutuin ko, adobong pusit, igado, at saka sinigang, okay? Yun lang, okay? Thank you!